Business intelligence (BI) is a broad category of applications and technologies for gathering, storing, analyzing, and providing access to data to help enterprise users make better business decisions. BI applications include the activities of decision support systems, query and reporting, online analytical processing (OLAP), statistical analysis, forecasting, and data mining. Business intelligence applications can be mission-critical and integral to an enterprise's operations or occasional to meet a special requirement enterprise-wide or local to one division, department, or project centrally initiated or driven by user demand. Business intelligence is the systematic collection and preparation of data to provide management, employees, and other stakeholders with meaningful information that, combined with context-rich knowledge of the organization, improves the effectiveness of the organization's strategy process. Business intelligence has four important aspects that correspond in changing accentuation with classical management levels: a cybernetic, dialectic, synthetic, and an explorative approach are the ingredients of a mix on the operational, tactical, or functional, and the strategic level. The business analyst who masters this mix will exploit the potential of BI to the maximum. A business analyst identifies the relevant business questions and looks for answers. These answers may be confined to an IT solution, but they may also lie in the process design, the organization structure, its behavior, its culture, its planning and control process, and its strategy process. A business analyst for business intelligence looks at all these aspects as he is aware of the interaction among them and is capable of prioritizing the necessary analytical steps toward finding a solution. The tasks can be situated on the three classical levels: operational, tactical, and strategic. The scope can be as narrow as data analysis and as broad as architecture and governance consulting. So in this definition are two scope dimensions: the horizontal scope and the vertical scope. The horizontal scope looks at the playing field of the analysis job, from information analysis to analyzing the strategy process. The vertical scope looks at the content of the job, from data analysis up to data architecture and data governance.